You guys can jump. Jump.
Don't shout, don't shout. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you saw the last video, you would know that I am in Rishikesh and पिछले 2-3 दिनों से मैं अकेली थी. But today I'm joining a large group of people like I had mentioned in my previous video. तो आज से मेरे साथ काफी ज्यादा लोग रहने वाले हैं. So this is a backpacking trip, which means we'll be covering a lot of places in Uttarakhand in a budget. So the accommodation will be pretty basic, the food will be pretty basic also, and we'll be staying in camps and basic hotels, no luxury stays by the way, and I'll also be sharing a room with another person. I don't know who that person will be, but I'll be meeting them soon in some time. तो काफ़ी rough and adventurous रहने वाले हैं next couple of days. तो मैंने ये ट्रिप जस्ट ट्रैवल के थ्रू बुक किया था, विच इज़ अ बुकिंग प्लेटफॉर्म, और यू कैन से इट्स अ ट्रैवल एजेंसी दैट specializes in organizing group tours, customized solo trips. And अगर आपको ट्रैकिंग का शौक है तो जस्ट ट्रैवल इज pretty famous for organizing treks across the country. तो अगर आप भी एक सोलो ट्रैवलर हो and you don't mind meeting new people and don't mind being a little adventurous and you're also looking for a trip which is pocket friendly, then you definitely must try out Just Travel for your next vacation. So I'm ready now and आज का plan है river rafting, which is a really famous thing to do in Rishikesh. तो बस I'm about to leave and I'll be meeting the rest of the group at the river rafting point, and yeah, I'm pretty excited for this.
मैम पीछे पीछे पीछे. यस.
अरे
गर्ल्स जाओ अंदर जाओ. आफ्टर दिस जिनको मैंने कहा था सेकंड में आप, एंड सर आप सेकंड में बैठेंगे और आप दोनों फ्रंट में, ठीक है मैम. आप लोगों का फेस इस तरफ होगा और पैडल पानी में. सेंटर में बैठना है आपको. तो कोई भी एक सेंटर में बैठ जाओ. यस यस. मैं आपको एक नई एक्टिविटी बताऊंगा जो सेंटर में बैठेगा उसके लिए. पैडल आप पीछे रख दो. पैडल आप मैम ये, हाँ हाँ कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. पैडल आप पीछे रख दो, पीछे दे दो. नहीं, आपको रिलैक्स करना है. आप लीडर हो इनके. चलिए गाइस आप लोग बैठिए. मैम ये पैडल पीछे रख दीजिए. ये वाला पैडल ब्लू वाला जिनके पास है. सर अभी आप इसे छोड़ दो. चलो बॉयज गेट इनसाइड.
I'll be last.
कम ऑन जाओ. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है सर. अब आउटसाइड बैठो. ओके गाइस एक बार सब लोग कैमरे में देखो. 3 times लाउडली बोलेंगे गंगे मैया की जय, की जय. So now your first rapid is coming up. Rapid name is Shivpuri rapid. Okay? Rapid में आप इसमें शोर कर सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है मुझे. Come on, team, forward. Stop. Guys, look at the camera. Now next rapid is coming up. Rapid name is return to center. Minor rapid. Move forward. Stop. अभी आप लोग शोर कर सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं मुझे रैपिड है। हाँ करो, पीछे देख लो। आप घूम के ही बैठ जाओ। मैं Come on, forward! Forward, forward! Stop! Okay guys, listen up. First major rapid is coming up. Rapid name is roller coaster.
Roller coaster.
Move forward, team. Forward.
Hey, look at the ducks.
Come on, team, forward, forward. Now next rapid is coming up. Rapid name is golf course. आपके स्ट्रेच का एक लास्ट मेजर रैपिड और टेक्निकल रैपिड है, ठीक है? 3 times लाउडली बोलेंगे गंगे मैया की जय, की जय। अब इसी एनर्जी के साथ पैडलिंग भी, ओके? मूव फॉरवर्ड नाउ। Come on, come on, come on, come on. Team, fast paddle, please. थोड़ा fast paddle. Fast paddle, fast. Fast paddle, team. Faster, 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 faster. Stop and get down. Get back. Get back, get back. Get back, get back, get back. Wait, wait, wait. Move forward. Forward, forward, forward. Fast paddles, please. Fast paddles. Come on, come on, come on, come on, team. Stop, everyone, stop. Forward paddle. Come on, come on, come on. Forward paddle, team, forward. Forward, forward. Come on, come on, come on, come on, team. Come on, come on. Fast paddles, please. Look at the camera. 3 times loudly बोलेंगे गंगे मैया की जय, की जय। Forward. Come on, forward paddle. Forward paddle, team. Forward paddle. Stop. Stop, team. Stop. मैम, आप बीच में बैठ जाओ। वापस बिठा दो उन्हें अब। बैठ जाओ, कुछ फायदा नहीं है। rapid is coming up. Rapid name is Cash Flow. Move forward. Come on, forward paddle, forward. Forward paddle team, forward. Stop. All forward paddle. Forward paddle team, forward paddle. Stop. And next rapid is coming up. Rapid name is Initiation. Ma'am, go. Have fun, please go. Come on guys, forward paddle. Come on, forward. Come on everybody, come on. Come on, forward paddle. Come on. Come on, paddle. Come again, go. Stop. What happened, man? Look at the camera. Our last rapid is coming up. Rapid name is Double Trouble. All forward paddle. Come on, all forward paddle team, all forward. All forward paddle everyone. Come on, forward paddle, forward. Forward paddle, come on. Come on everybody, come on. Come on, forward paddle. Forward, stop. Stop paddle, stop paddling, stop. Don't turn. Go jump. Just enjoy. Side में रोक भैया. Like this.